What's the goal you have in mind?
Trying to find out what number of minutes would make plan A cheaper.
How would I find that out?
We have to choose any number. We have to choose any number for the minutes.
Okay, how would I do that?
We have to time the minute, the number we're gonna choose, time the cost they give it to you.
Okay, why don't I have you write that down, and then I'll come back to see exactly what you have.
It gets cheaper at 51, but on our table it gets cheaper at 50 because we went by 10.
So what happens if it goes one by the number? What's gonna happen? It will be changed.
If we went by 1, like 1, 2, 3, 4, then at 51 it will get cheaper.
So if I don't use the phone the month, so I don't have to pay?
You have to pay $5.
I know your table seems to tell me that if I don't use it, there's no money. But yet you're telling me that if I don't use the
If you
phone,
don't use the phones, it still cost you $5.
is that represented in your table there? Okay. How would you show that?
All you need to do is just write it down. That is first.
What did you just say? This is where each and every one of you has the opportunity to listen to the other one's thinking.
But we calculate and we see that the plan B, it was cheaper. That we get up to 30, 40, 50, and we get different answer from each one. Now we calculate and we see like the 50 and 50 is the same.
We decided to go by 10s for the number of minutes instead of going by 1 and taking forever. And at first we kept getting that plan A was more expensive than plan B. But then when we got to 50 minutes, they were both equal. And after 50 minutes, plan A started getting cheaper. And by the number that we went by 10s, we found that 60 minutes was the price where plan A was cheaper than plan B. But that wasn't the first number where it got cheaper. So then we went to 51, the number after they both were equal. And then that was where plan A started getting cheaper than plan B. And then we made a graph showing where both the plans meet. And that's at $7, which is 50 minutes.
Which point in the table did you find particularly interesting for the problem?
When plan A and plan B came up to the same price.
At which point are you directing me to?
50. When it was 50 minutes, each plan was the same.
I wonder if anybody can tell me where this point is represented on the graph. Do we see that on the graph?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can come up and show me. Who would like to come and show me where the point is on the graph? And what is the significance of this point for the problem we were doing?
That's the XY intersect thing.
That's the XY intercept thing. Can you elaborate a bit so that I can see what it means?
That's where the two planes are equal. That's the intersect.
You can identify the intersection where they are both the same. In 50 minutes, they would charge you $7 in plan A. In plan B, is 50 minutes and they would charge you $7.
Basically, anytime the line for plan A is over plan B, that's when plan B is cheaper.
Did we hear what he just said? So I'm going to use this same reasoning and ask somebody to come and tell me when will they know that plan B is more expensive? And using the same line of reasoning, if you hear it. Who would like to come and tell me by looking at the graph, when can they tell me plan B is more expensive?